Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Carnitine for fast and up performance. L-Carnitine is a powerful amino acid derivative that helps your body turn fat into fuel. It's essential for transporting fatty acids into your cell's powerhouses, the mitochondria, where they are burned for energy. This process can significantly support your endurance and overall athletic output, making it a valuable supplement for those looking to enhance their physical capabilities and recovery. For optimal results, consider a daily dosage between 1,000 and 3,000 milligrams of L-Carnitine. Many individuals find taking it about 30 to 60 minutes before their training session to be most beneficial, as this allows it to be readily available for energy production. You can also split your daily intake, perhaps consuming 1,000 milligrams in the morning and another 1,000 milligrams before exercise to maintain consistent levels throughout the day. When choosing L-Carnitine, L-Carnitine L-tartrate is a popular and well-researched form, particularly for its benefits in exercise and recovery. You'll find it available in convenient capsules, liquid shots, or powdered forms that can be mixed into beverages. For enhanced absorption and utilization, consider taking your L-Carnitine with a source of carbohydrates, as insulin can help shuttle it into your muscle cells more efficiently, maximizing its impact. By consistently using L-Carnitine, you can expect several benefits, including improved energy levels during workouts, reduced muscle soreness post-exercise, and enhanced fat metabolism. Remember, consistency is paramount. Integrate it into your daily regimen for sustained results. Always pair L-Carnitine supplementation with a nutritious diet and a regular, challenging exercise program to truly unlock its full potential for your performance and recovery goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.